Hey, hello friends, welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP leak support. So today we'll see about the important validations happens whenever the changes has been captured into the TR. We know that in the normal change only basically we will create the TRs and we will create the TOC for the TRs and then it will move to the test systems. Every time whenever we capture the changes to the TR or when we try to create the TOC, that point of time, this validation will happen. What kind of validation will happen means, you see here, there is one tab called transport related checks. Here we can see different statuses available here. Downgrade production, cross-reference check, critical object, ABAP test cockpit, code inspector and custom check. So here you see the content of this type of validations, whether it's a green or red or yellow. And if you scroll down a little bit, here you can see in detail explanation about each and every checks. So basically this validation will happen when we capture that object. In SAP system, when we capture the changes to the TR, that time this validation will trigger. And when we try to create a TOC for a transport request, that time also this validation will happen in the background. In other cases, whenever we change the status from in development to be tested. So the development is completed. We want to make it to the next level means we need to update the statuses to be tested. That point of time also this validation will kick in and let us know what kind of a problem in this object, what went wrong. Accordingly, we need to take action on that. In upcoming sessions, we'll discuss in detail about this each and every validations. Thank you guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.